powerful 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck the Sea of Marmara at 12:49 p.m. local time today. The epicenter hit just 28 kilometers south of Silivri, near Marmara Adası, at a shallow depth, increasing the shock's intensity on land. Istanbul and multiple provinces were shaken hard. Buildings swayed, sirens sounded, thousands evacuated into the streets. Shaking lasted several seconds and was felt across a wide area. Aftershocks followed within minutes. The strongest hit 5.3 magnitude. Authorities have warned of more to come. Damage reports are incoming. Cracks, broken glass, and structural failures have already been recorded. Teams are inspecting critical infrastructure. Emergency services are on alert. Power disruptions and minor fires were reported. So far, no confirmed deaths, but assessments are ongoing. The region lies on a major fault line. This quake is a warning. Stay out of damaged buildings. Expect updates. Stay prepared.
No!